we had Tennessee, we have all these different, New York, we have all these different places, right, to come here and be with you guys. So be nice. All right, you ready? Mm-hmm. Here we go. And you were doing great, and it was going well, and you tried some different things, and a couple things I loved about what you did, when you went into one, you were very confident about that, and the percussion lost time and started to fumble, and you didn't.
Yeah.
And you were like, we're just going to keep going, and then the percussion jumped back in, and everybody kept moving, which is great. You had a great, again, a great impulse of will.
I didn't last year.
Yeah.
I
Well,
worked on it.
this is much better because and that's why I just let you keep going. I was like, hey, this is going well. Like, we'll just keep going with this. Okay, let's talk about a couple things we could improve on possibly. When you started, there was no rebound to anything that you did.
No.
It was all zum, bum, bum, rum, bum, bum. And so they played very firm and very dry. Is that what you were going for?
Yeah.
Okay, well then you got it. That's a plus. Problem is, the longer you go through this, you've got to add rebound back in somewhere.
Mm-hmm.
I don't mind if you do that at the beginning because you were doing GOSs and that was all good. But then you've got to get the rebound back in there somewhere.
Okay.
Okay? Can we do somewhere in the back half and let's start? Like, where goes that soft spot? I don't remember where that is. Yeah, let's go there.
12.
Or maybe should we get into that so we don't hurt them? No, they'll be fine. Let's go 12. See if you can put, yeah, there you go. Put it on a different plane. Thank you. What is your instrument?
Horn.
Horn. Okay. Good to know. If you look at the tubas and you collapse in right before you start, I want you to think about how that communicates to them about how their body should work and how their air should move.
Okay.
So how should you look? You are so tall, by the way. Goodness gracious.
Thanks. I chose it. I did. I ordered it.
You did?
Mm-hmm.
Good.
I guess it should open up so they don't close their sound.
Yeah, absolutely.
Draw.
So look back at them, pull the left hand back, and again, I remember I was talking about this, but if you're going to shift your weight to the tubas, actually put more of your weight on your left foot, bring the sound more to you than putting it to your right foot and leaning in towards them.
Okay.
Okay, strap. Yeah, good. What's hard about when you don't show a lot of rebound, which you're still not showing a lot of rebound, is you're not giving enough space between the beats for the players to breathe.
Okay.
Right? So it's not just about even flow of time, it's about giving them enough time to subdivide in between those beats. So if you'd rebound, and we live in Missouri now, which is really nice, I can use this and it makes more sense. Make little arches. Oompa, oompa, oompa. Just make an arch. Make little St. Louis arches to them when you start this section. Here we go. Keep the arches going. Good. Yeah, good. What that allows you to do is it shows them that there's space in between it because you're thinking smooth, right? Have you ever been to the arch?
Yeah.
Have you gone up to the top? And that little bitty 1914 pod thing, that like carries you to the top. Then you get up there and it's like the size of this front row. It's tiny, right? The little trip up there is a little intense, but you want to think this way so that they have enough room to fit all those eighth notes in, and then you can be really, really clear with that. Okay. Let's see if we can do it again and try to stay more still the whole time. Try to just be as still as you can. Good. How much left hand do you need to cue in all these entrances here?
Like once every 4 measures.
I don't think you really need it at all.
Really?
I would use your eyes.
Okay.
Right? You can just keep the left hand out moving very slow, because the slower you move through this, right, and you use your eyes to bring things in, the better. And then you can use all the tools again, because remember, we have this tool, we have this tool, and we have this tool. This one and this one are very active. We'll talk about torso in a minute. Let's go again. Get that wrist going, just little arches. Get your eyes to bring in less left hand action. Yeah, describe to me the character of their music. Is it excited, happy, mysterious?
It's kind of mysterious.
Yeah, but you look very happy.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, which is fine. Maybe be a little more ominous and mysterious at them.
Okay.
Like last night, you guys are gonna laugh at this. My son Josh, who's 7, I love that kid. He's like the funniest kid on the planet. He walks through our living room, is on the couch, and he literally does this. He goes. I'm like, what the heck was that? He like literally does this walking past the couch, right? Your eyes have got to be like this all the time on them. You know, and where it's not all handsy, it's the eyes looking around, right? Okay. So. That is and your it's all down, up, down, up. Let's see if you could go this way with it, perhaps. Better though. I'm just trying to get you to be more still.
Okay.
Because I think you made it. You got won a contest in Iowa, whatever that means. Okay. Here we go. Let's go right there.
13.
Start back where we were.
Oh, 12.
Yeah, let's just keep starting at 12. So continue to try to be more still, more calm, and let your eyes do the talking. Slow down in front of you Rachel, can you hold up your horn? Hold that sideways. Yeah, turn it just a little bit. Sorry, I'm not doing this very well. Just throw it to me. No, I'm kidding. Your crescendo needs to look like the hornbill, right?
Okay.
Where it paces for a while, and then at the end, it goes like that. Your crescendo starts here and just, boom, goes that way. If you would try to be more still, with less handsy motion, more with the eyes, and then just manipulate things as they go, and then at the end, you can grow this way. Then it's really musical. See what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
All crescendos should look like a hornbill. Hold it up again. So from like the bottom there out, that's what it should look like. Does that make sense?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let's try it again. See if we can make that happen. See if you can create that kind of shape to it. It's too much. Okay, it's just too much. Be as still. Here we go. 12. You just have to save it to the end.
Okay.
As long as you can.
Okay.
Try again. Do we have to stop? Stop it, reader. Just stay still. Will help you create more contour. You just find ways to be still. Because you did a great job of all of that. It was really, really good. A lot of good changes. Just see if you can find ways to be still, and then that way you get more contour as you go. Sound good? Thank you, Jesse. Good job.